Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a white paper greeting card for birthday. For this I have taken an A4 paper which I have folded into half. Then using a small bottle lid, draw circles as shown. Then draw lines as shown. Then I have taken an apple shaped bowl and I have drawn an outline. Next I am coloring it using different colored sketch pens. You can also use brush pens or any other color material that you have at home. Add dots as shown. And then I'm writing happy birthday inside. Then using different colored sketch pens, I'm drawing the outline of the apple. And then I'm going to color it inside using color pencil. The outer part of our card is now ready. Here I'm using a ruler to make some border. Then I'm also drawing small hearts. Then you can write whatever message you want inside the card. And our cute birthday card is now ready. I hope you all liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.